Yeah. What's up, my guy? Nemanyanga's the Commissar. So long as you subscribe and come below subscriber, your subscription is very important. I'd like to take this time and apologize to those last time phone. The reason is that Shakusungul, in 2019 and that the video later on, and I've been talking about Ben Mangan, Mr. Post, Josherman, Prince Rangan. Ben Mangan, Mr. Post, Josherman, Prince Rangan. So, and always these guys are the ones Lava Tamagwarma way. If it's not Ben, it's Mr. Post. If it's not Mr. Post, it's Joe. If it's not Joe, it's Prince. So ntwanga ku loko u tshama kho repeat content yin'we ntwanga ku some of the analysis leyi ni va ku ni yi endlini with regard to leswi va ka swi humelelaka ni va ni swi endlini previously, so ni twa swi ni bora swi tlhela swi ni noloyisa ku tshama kha ni endla ti-video about the same people. Number two, I've realized something about Xitsonga music. Xitsonga music is all about drama. I thought drama ntwanga ku hi nge survive kusuka la ya mahlweni because a va ha talanga vanhu lava nghenaka studio to produce music, to entertain us, something, coming up with new sounds, coming up with music. There are few which you can say. Most of these artists survive by drama. It's either beef or look I wanna irrelevant. It's the same cycle. So because I've been doing it for almost 5 years, entertaining the very same strategy. Beef. Strategy xin'we xa beef vana ni studio mi ya mi endla tinsimu kwanchu, so swi ni oloyisaka to come and analyze the same sound from 2019 until now, ivi ntlhela mi ni twa ni swi bini. So a na ha ri na wona control to speak about the current sounds because I don't hear much change. That's why loko mi ni vona ka Facebook always entertaining see na J John. J John is my favorite because I feel like he's one of the few artists that are progressing when it comes to the sound, when it comes to making music. If you go and listen to his music, his compilation of music from where it started and breaker from Dali until the last one that he did, Navigate. Yeah, my God, you will tell, man, there's progress, there's talent, there's dedication, there's creativity. Slowly is na loko J John a posta kuna humesa same next weekend. Borna ndlaya la ku humesa lo yo humesa yini. What is it that this guy is gonna offer? But when the usual, they say they wanna release music, you already know, man, the sound which is gonna be there, the lyrics, kujika jikwa ndawo yin'we the lyrics ta kona. So for me, we need to push this artist harder. So that's why I came up with an idea of starting a weekly podcast link at Tabakai upload on like Spotify. I'll do it two times a week. Already the studio is there. I'm still organizing the other equipment later, but I will do it two times a week, maximum 40 minutes. We'll be talking about all relevant issues because beef I just realized Governor Cremora is doing the very same thing as Makam and the Shinyanga by including Conrad. That strategy fucked up, man. So no, so that's the one thing. The third thing, when we speak, we're gonna be in trouble because white artist of music Xitsonga, they got the party hit, they got the rumble week in, week out. Mara waisala one majority of them there's no change in their life. It's because they're being ripped off by these promoters. Bafana lawani group ya linga ka high rotation. Itirela ku hlayisa mindyangu ya van'wanyana. Va famba 50-50 at the promoters. The gang le mi vona ku nga rambo left right and side type female, so the likes of J John has compromise when it comes to pricing. But there's artists long one aka utachena shawela ka 4 yon'weti va n'wi nyiki 10,000 mali leyi nga nghena xikhwameni xa yena because they're sharing their money with these promoters. Tikati nga endli nchumu. Hala u fane hakela vacini, hala u fane hanya, hala transportation, hala accommodation njoni. So when we speak, we're gonna be in trouble. And majority of you will think I'm directing this to promote and mention our like an Anbolian. Anbolian, I'm not talking about the guy. Because I'm saying this, I'm excluding him not because no chava, no. I'm excluding him because majority of you, I'm thinking a promoter. Yeah, I'm thinking that one we won't blame him. He did a very good job. For artist music song. The idea of Shikaza Monday, yona ifida kuti artist to tala sweswiwani. Yona endla ku nga artist nga buku hi Saturday ntsena se tibukwana le xikarhi ka vhiki. All those copycats mi ti vonaku swi nga le vo 17 swi nga le vo Simple Kitchen swi nga hala na hala se swi nga ta twana le kaya. It's because of this guy. He came up with this idea and he excelled ivi vanhu va yi kopa. So that one, regardless, I don't like him. He's an exception when it comes to the. We must appreciate what he did. Now I want to okay, guys, nah, bruh. That one is the good of these events. But this artist, there are certain people who are fucking them up. At the like the artist later. At the look day. That's one I the podcast that I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna invite some of these artists. Lava nga chavi ko ta about this thing. The abaluk day. I could like doing kachum. Aye. What's on my guy? I'm as the commissar. So local lava kusapi kuku promotion dan kuma 064-968-9940 064-968-9940. My promotion I'm most basically on Facebook creating hype. Nga promote xin'wana na xin'wanyana but the videos ndazama ukuthi maka ni endla and sharp
10% advice.